Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Haas. Today I'm making chicken breast in a creamy Dijon mustard sauce. Let's get cooking!
Cut chickens in half. Submerging potatoes in a pot of boiling water. And cooking until they are tender. Finely dice 2 cloves of shallots. In a large skillet, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Carefully place the chicken pieces into the hot oil and let them sizzle. Season the chicken pieces generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Flip the chicken pieces and continue roasting until they are golden brown and evenly seared. Remove the chicken from the heat and set them aside. Using the same skillet, add the chopped shallots and sauté until translucent and aromatic. Add half a cup of white wine to the shallots and allow it to reduce, intensifying the flavor. When the wine's reduced, add a cup of cream and stir it in. Add salt and black pepper to taste. To thicken the sauce, mix a teaspoon of cornstarch with a little cold water, then stir it into the sauce. Return the roasted chicken pieces to the sauce, then set it aside. In a clean skillet, add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Slice the boiled potatoes and place them in the skillet, cut side down. Once the potatoes are crisp and golden on one side, gently turn them to brown the other side. Season with salt and pepper. Stir in 2 tablespoons of seeded Dijon mustard until fully incorporated. Garnish with fresh dill and chives, dinner is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious dishes.